Welcome inside a high-tech sneakers factory where precision meets craftsmanship.
Every sneaker starts with carefully selected materials, fabrics, rubber, and accessories. Workers ensure that every material meets strict quality standards.
Machines and skilled hands work together to create each sneaker.
Fabric panels are cut precisely to form the upper part of the sneaker. Panels are carefully aligned on molds to maintain perfect shape. Industrial machines stitch panels together, forming the sneaker upper. Each stitched upper is inspected for quality and accuracy. Reinforcements and padding are added for comfort and durability. Glue is applied precisely to bond different layers of the upper. Upper panels are pressed and dried to ensure a perfect form. The finished upper is checked before moving to sole assembly.
Liquid rubber is poured into molds to form the sole. Hydraulic presses shape the sole for strength and consistency. Soles cool down on racks, taking their final form.
Excess rubber is carefully trimmed to maintain clean edges. Each sole is inspected for defects and uniformity.
Patterns and grip textures are pressed onto the sole for functionality. Additional layers are added to the sole for comfort and stability. Finished soles are transported to the assembly line.
The stitched upper is glued to the sole with precision.
The bond is strengthened using mechanical presses.
Side stitching secures the upper to the sole for durability. Laces are added to complete the functional design. Padding is inserted for maximum comfort. Brand logos are applied with care, maintaining consistency. Metal eyelets are fixed to ensure strong lace support. Edges are polished for a clean and smooth finish. Each sneaker undergoes tests for flexibility and grip. Sneakers are weighed to meet product specifications. Workers perform a final inspection on the moving line.
Every detail is examined to guarantee high-quality footwear. Completed sneakers are sent to the packaging area.
Boxes are opened, ready to house each sneaker. Sneakers are carefully placed inside protective packaging.
Extras like tissue paper and inserts are added for presentation. boxes are closed securely to protect the product.
Each box is sealed to ensure safe delivery. Boxes are labeled for inventory and shipping purposes. Packaged sneakers are stacked neatly on pallets. Pallets are loaded for shipment to stores worldwide.
Final checks guarantee every shipment meets quality standards.
Sneakers are on their way to reach customers globally. Here's the final product, crafted with precision and care.
Every angle showcases the quality and design. Fine stitching ensures durability and elegance.
The sole provides grip and comfort for daily use. Sneakers are tested for flexibility to ensure comfort. A batch ready for delivery to retailers.
Skilled hands and teamwork make it all possible.
The production line ensures efficiency and quality. Sneakers are organized and stored before shipment. Every pair ready for customers worldwide.
From raw materials to finished product, every step is precise. Attention to detail guarantees perfect fit and design. Craftsmanship and technology combine to create excellence. This is how sneakers are brought to life in a modern factory. Don't forget to subscribe for more behind-the-scenes factory tours.